It's the end of 2022, and if you're looking for an end of year deal on some AI copywriting software, then this is the video for you, because I've got 3 options for you to pick from. This one here, the first one, is Scalenut. Scalenut is currently 54% off for life, and all 3 softwares I'm going to show you today are a minimum of 50% off. You can see at the moment, at the end of 2022, they've got 184 slots left, so not a lot of slots left if you want to claim this offer. All you've got to do in order to get Scalenut is go down into the description of this video, click on the first link, it will take you through to this page, and then you just pick the plan that you would like. Now, I'm not going to go through these softwares in detail, show them to you, but I will leave a link in the description to a walkthrough video we've done on this channel of each of these softwares, so you can decide which is the best for you. But if you're the kind of person that's producing long form content, then Scalenut is a really good option. It's got a 5-minute blog creator. You just go through a series of steps, create your title, outline, and then you'll get an over 1,000-word article written for you. And it also comes with SEO options, which other softwares don't really come with yet. So that's a really good option if you're trying to rank in Google. So you get SEO reports. As you can see here, if you go for growth, you get the topic clusters. That's the one where if you want to get the 5-minute blog, that's what they call cruise mode, then this is the option that you want to go for here. You're getting a huge number of AI words. So if I was going to pick one of these, then I would definitely go for the growth option. If you're just starting out and you want to take the individual option, that's absolutely fine. But if you're interested in SEO and blogs written for you, thousands of words written for you in 5 minutes, you want to go for the growth option here, but that's a great saving. The second option I've got for you is here, that's Writesonic. Now, Writesonic is really developing this tool at the moment. Not only can you write articles, and again, they've got their one-click article writer, which is really easy to use, and they've got a 4.0 version now, so they've been developing it over time. And again, within a few clicks, you just give it a topic that you want to write about, and it will produce that article for you. Over 1,000 words, normally around 1,500 words. It normally includes an image for you as well. Now, this one doesn't come with the built-in SEO integrations like Scalenut, but what it does do, it has a chat option. So if you're interested in chat GPT, and it also has a Photosonic option, which is their AI art generator. So if there's 2 things that you're really interested in, then this might be the right software for you, because what you do is you buy words and then you can convert those words in order to get you photos, and then you can use the words in the chat generator, the chat option that they have as well. Again, this is the second link in the description, and there'll be a walkthrough video so you can see Writesonic in action. All you need to do in order to be able to claim this deal is, you can see you're going to get 50% off. You just go down to the second link in the description, click on it, you'll come to this page. You move this around so you can get exactly what it is that you need in terms of word count and seats, and then it's this coupon code that you need to use. You've got until the 31st of December in order to do so. Your third option, and the reason I'm mentioning this one is it's going to end up being your cheapest option, is Peppertype. Now, I personally prefer the other 2 pieces of software for long form. Now, Peppertype doesn't currently have a one-click option, and I do find their blog writer a little bit chunky and a little bit, it's not a smooth experience as the other 2 pieces of software. But if you can cope with that, then you'll find that this might be the cheaper option for you in order to produce the content that you need to produce. So if you are on a budget, this is one you might want to check out. With all of these, you need to make sure you're on the right options, so they're all, you've got to pick the annual plan. As you can see on Peppertype, the personal is $25 a month, but we're getting a 50% discount on the annual plan with the code there. So we're on the annual plan, and you can see how many words, you're getting access to all their content types. I really like Peppertype for producing shorter form content. I think their Quora answers software is great. So if you're the kind of person that is on Quora or Reddit, or is producing content around the 200 to 500 word mark, or you want to produce social media captions, or you're happy to be a little bit patient with the layout of the long form writer and Peppertype, then this might be the right option for you. Again, just go to the third link in the description. You'll come through to this page and then you'll be able to use that coupon code, and there'll be a video walkthrough showing you Peppertype in the description, so you can watch that and decide if it's the right option for you. See Peppertype in action.